Okay guys, 2017 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. Rebuilt title, front end damage here, all fixed up. This one we actually took in on trade, so been driven out. Typically you have a little bit better success when that happens, when they've been driven and they weren't just recently fixed. So confident in the mechanical for sure. Show a little evidence of some rock chips and stuff here on the front. We're gonna end up probably painting that here soon, but check with your guys, make sure that's been done if it's out of state, so you know what you want to do there if we decide to paint it. Has brand new tires on it. We just put them on. It's got the all-weather floor mats. It does have the heated seats there. Start it up. So almost 63,000 miles on it. This one does not have the adaptive cruise and lane assist. Eyesight is what it's called, I guess, in Subaru. Backup camera. I don't see any navigation on this one either, so more of their base limited. Check out this car and all our cars at tjchapmanauto.com. Also, there should be a Blue Star inspection done on this, which would be on the website. 200-point inspection, third party, tons of pictures underneath. Check it out.